Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a reminder about your parking session so you will get a notification before it ends on the EasyPark application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And after that, you should click on the settings button, which is the second option. And now tap on notifications at the top of the screen. So here you should click on the parking about to end or go to the parking about to end feature. So here you should choose how long in advance you want to be reminded about your parking session ending. You can tap on the SMS or push notification buttons depending on which one you would like to choose, and after that you can actually customize the time interval, how long in advance you would like to get this reminder, ranging from 5 to 60 minutes. So set the relevant one and then it will be set. So feel free to update it anytime you feel like to do so. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.